Business ownership is the best way to build wealth, and buying a business is the fastest way to get there. We found a Hearth retailer that you can buy with as little as $125,500 down and net $342,000 per year after making your monthly loan payments. Now, this assumes a 10-year, 11% interest SBA loan and 5% down to purchase this $1.3 million business, and then a 25-year, 7% interest, 5% down SBA loan to purchase the $1.2 million of real estate that come along with the business. Now, this is a rare instance where a business that includes real estate still produces some decent cash flow. Generally, real estate across the market is just so overvalued relative to the cost of borrowing that you just really can't buy any businesses that include real estate, that you really have to lease. And then maybe later you try to go to purchase out the real estate or move to a new location. But in this instance, because the business is selling for such a low multiple, the cash flow works. The business is at about 2 times cash flow. And another interesting aspect of this is that the real estate appears to be a strip mall with multiple other tenants. So you do have some other revenue streams just beyond just the Hearth business that can add some stability to your cash flow. Looking at this business, I have to be surprised to see just a Hearth store in upstate New York doing $2.5 million of revenue. I didn't really know there were demands for this. Most of their products on their website are kind of just old, 1900 style stoves, which must be really popular up in that area for them to be able to sustain a store that's really their primary product. So the business comes with about $300,000 of inventory that of course you purchase separately. So essentially you have 3 separate things you're purchasing. You're buying the business, you're buying the real estate, and then you're buying the inventory. They're all going to be essentially separate purchases in a way. And now the stores are fully staffed. They have 2 technicians, 1 office manager. They have an install team, everything you're going to need to run this Hearth store. So reach out if you want to talk more, and let us know if you want our help evaluating any businesses.